if I'm wrong, but it happens a lot. Ben Yehuda on a Rev Shabbat. I'm on my way to Mea Shearim, when suddenly I hear a high-pitched scream. I turn around to see what that could be, and then I noticed two seminary girls, and they hug and shriek, 'cause they haven't seen each other for one whole week. I start to think that girls are gashmias. I tell myself that I'm above that stuss, so I break up with her, my lifelong friend. Kavod Abriot is just pretend. And now I'm thinking that I'm super stark, because I only wear white shirts and dark pants, and maybe a black hat too. Now let me take a good look at you. I'm flipping out. I'm a Rebbe Chef in Nachas. I'm flipping out. But my pants will kick my tuchus. I'm flipping out. I'm a Rebbe Chef in Nachas. I'm flipping out. But my pants will kick my tuchus. And decide to change the way I've lived for 18 years. I fought with my parents that they're incorrect. Well, what about keep it up by aim and a little respect? Well, my parents ask, are you ever coming home? But I just ask them for a loan, because money I only spend on Svarim. I got a Ramban read for Rashba and all the Rishonim. No more movies, it's Pizza City. No more English music, 'cause she might be pretty. Now it's only Carlbach and Miami boys. That's all that I used to call noise. I'm getting from her, yeah, I'm on my way. Just gotta learn all those catchphrases that I'll need to say, like shkoyach and mistama too.